Hi everyone, I'm Jason Lane and I'm a global mentor from Brisbane in Australia. And one of the ways that we use Minecraft for assessment is that we give our students in our worlds documentation stations, and that's our way of describing spaces in Minecraft where we give students access to cameras, portfolios and books and quills. So in this case here we have put a guide into the world, and when you right click and talk to the guide, we've given them access to tutorials to learn how to document inside Minecraft, and then we give them gear, and so that then when you escape out of that, you can see that they have a book and quill and they've got a portfolio. So with a portfolio in their hand, they can go into a chest, they can grab a camera or two, and then they can go through our worlds that we create as learning experiences, take photographs, and having taken a photo, they can then go into their book and quill and they can type some information, perhaps a reflection in this space here. And they can also post photos. So if we go over here, we'll do exactly that. I've clicked on the edit icon and then we're going to add a photo from our portfolio. And then having done all that, we can finish this off by signing the book, my assessment. Sign and close. You can see it's now an enchanted book. It's got a bit of a glow in its corner, and then we can right click and export that. It creates a zip file, as you can see, and students submit that to us as an alternative way of assessing through Minecraft.